Consumer Cellular uses LTE as its primary data technology, leveraging networks from Verizon and AT&T for fast internet speeds across the United States. Their LTE service provides broad coverage, especially in rural areas through Verizon's 700 MHz band and urban areas via AT&T's networks. However, users may experience issues like slow data speeds, no service errors, or inability to access mobile data, even with coverage. To resolve LTE connectivity issues, you can force your device to use LTE mode only. On Android devices, navigate to Settings, then Network and Internet, Mobile Network, Preferred Network Type, and select LTE. On iPhones, direct LTE forcing may not be available, but ensure cellular data is enabled under Settings Cellular. This method prevents automatic switches to weaker 3G signals or unstable 5G, prioritizing LTE for a stable connection, especially useful in areas with inconsistent coverage. If forcing LTE doesn't solve the problem, try resetting your APN and network settings. APN, or access point name, acts as a gateway to connect you to mobile data. Incorrect settings can block data access. To reset, go to Settings, Network and Internet, Mobile Network, Advanced, Access Point Names, and either reset to default or manually enter Consumer Cellular's APN settings, typically CC Data or Consumer Cellular. Next, perform a network reset. On Android Settings, System, Reset Options, Reset Wi-Fi, Mobile and Bluetooth. On iOS, Settings, General, Transfer or Reset iPhone, Reset Network Settings. This clears all saved network configurations, resolving cached errors causing LTE failures. These steps are often effective, but if problems persist, contact Consumer Cellular support.